I am in a wig cap. So you know what that means. We're going to trace my hairline for my custom Rhaenyra wig. Follow along this crazy. Now this is going to be a weird video because this is not normally, I don't know, what you see on this app. Okay, what you'll need, or what I'm going to use, is plastic wrap, clear tape, and a marker. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap my head, which is basically just wrapping it with this all the way around, including the base of my neck. So when we come back, you'll see my head wrapped, and then we'll start to draw the line. Okay, so my head is wrapped, and I'm realizing now that I have blonde hair in my area up here, so it's kind of hard to see where my line is. So I might have to go to a different mirror and trace my line, and I'll come back and show you it. Okay, to the best of my knowledge, I have my hairline. Now, important things if you're doing this for yourself is to mark your ear, top of your ear, center of your hairline, and to get a buddy to do the back part. I had a really hard time with that, but it's the back of the wig. Her hair is going to be down. I'm not too worried about it, but I know enough to kind of go over the lines that were the back of my neck when I'm making the wig cap part, so it's okay. So here we are. Now, to prevent the markings from coming off, I'm going to cover the lines especially, and then the majority of the head cap, actually probably all of the head cap, in clear tape. Okay, it's completely taped down. The whole head is taped down. Also, when you're doing this, and if you do it, I did not do it too tight, because you want this to be kind of like a second skin. You don't want to like wrap your head and then your wig's not going to fit. And then there's no fun there. So now let's take it off. Ah! Pulled some baby hairs. That's okay. So here's my wig head tracing. As you can see, the back of it was okay, but I also don't have a really low back part, but my front tracing is, yes, not even on both sides, and that's going to be okay because I want this to look like my hairline. I might extend it a little bit just to even it out to make it look somewhat symmetrical, but that's the point of this. I want it to be my hairline, and I want it to fit perfect. So now I'm going to put it on a wig head. I'm going to stuff it to where my actual head size is my wig head, and then we'll move on to making the wig cap. First step of the new wig done! Yay!